Welcome to Eiko In and Out. Mimi ni Ann wa Eiko na leo nataka welcome all of you to join in on a series ambayo inaitwa Hair Restoration with Lydia. Lydia ni customer wetu ambaye ametoka Kitale, and I'm very thankful to her because ameitikia. We invite you all and you'll be able to be part of her journey. Muone vile ameenda step by step as her hair is restored kama anatumia Eiko All Natural Products. Hair loss does not happen in just one day. It's a process that takes time. Well, unless mtu anywe nywele yote, na hiyo sio hair loss. Hair loss inafanyikanga over the course of time. And so for Lydia, it started before 2020. As you can see in this picture, unaona ilikuwa by 2020 alikuwa na places ambapo alikuwa na hair loss. Na sasa hair loss ikifanyika, it does not reverse itself. The follicles keep on weakening, and so if you don't do anything about it, it just progresses on, as you can see kwa hii picture ya 2023. So let's welcome Lydia introduce na atuambie a little bit of the background mahali hair loss vile ilianza, and what at that point sa zile alianza, what she did about it.
Hello, my name is Lydia. I'm from Kitale. I have suffered from hair loss for quite a while. Nimetumia so many different hair products na sijakuwa nikipata usaidizi wowote until there was a time I came across a post on Facebook. It was from Eiko Natural Hair Products. So I became interested and I talked to them. Nikaongea na Ann, akani-explainia. She told me what to use and how to use them. Before I used the product, I was prepared on what to expect, especially on my scalp.
Some of the expected symptoms ya hair loss ni first, the hair thins. Secondly, you see a lot of hair shedding kama unaosha nywele ama kuchana. Alafu pia unaanza kuona sasa unaweza ona scalp, nywele yako haijashikana vile ilikuwa imeshikana before. And then you start noticing that your scalp ina smoothen, and what that means is that your follicles zinakuwa ndogo, zina miniaturize. So the reverse of that happens ukianza kutumia our products. So mahali ambapo nywele ilikuwa imethin, unaanza kuona hiyo nywele inaongeza volume. Mahali ambapo follicles zilikuwa zimefifia, unaanza kupata hizo follicular bumps on the scalp, na unaweza ziona kwa macho zinakaa kama pimples ndogo, lakini ni the follicles ndio zinarudi. So those are some of the things we look for when our customers start using our products, so that we can gauge how the scalp is responding. Na kama vile Lydia amesema, alikuwa ameshajulishwa the things that she should take note of akiendelea kutumia product. So see you again on the next episode as we talk more about the next steps that Lydia saw, and also talking about why hair loss happens and how it happens, and things that you can do before it happens to prevent it. All right, see you next time, and God bless you.